Hello, very good morning students. Previous class I explained till exercise 9B. Now we have to go for next exercise, that is cell practice 9C. So in the question number first, just you read here. This one also based on the direct inverse or indirect inverse, means inverse proportion. So most of the question will come related to work and time. Okay. So here question is given: 6 men take 12 hours to weed a certain field. How long would 9 men take to do so if all work at the same rate? So same here question is given: 6 men take 12 hours. Here question is given 9 men means more men. It will take less time. So it is inversely proportional. So 6 multiply 12 is equal to 9 into x. So 9 will divide here. So finally x is equal to 6 into 12 upon 9. So we will cancel out 2 ja and 3 ja. Now cancel by 4. 4 2 ja 8. So it will take 8 hours. Okay. If 9 men work together, then it will complete in 8 hours. Okay. So required answer is 8 hours. Now in the question number 3rd, just second question is same as it is. Just try yourself. Okay. Now I will do question number 3rd. A and B can do a piece of work in 6 and 12 days respectively. If they will work together, how many days it will take? So they will complete the work in how many days? If they will work together. So if just we will, in this case we will find work done by A and work done by B in one day. So just you see here, write down A can do a work. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. So just find work done by A. So work done by A is equal to 1 upon 6. So always just be careful. Time is reciprocal of the work done. So it is inversely proportional. So it will become 1 upon 6. Just you take reciprocal of this. So 6 is there, so it will come 1 upon 6. Okay. Now in the B can do a piece of work in 12 days. So work done by A by B is equal to 1 upon 12. Now we have to find together. For that we will find together work done. So A plus B, work done by both. Work done by A plus B is equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 12. So it is equal to LCM will be 12. So it will multiply 2 plus 1. It will come 3 upon 12. Okay. Now we will cancel out. It will come 4. So 1 upon 4 will come. Like that. So work done by A plus B, it will come 4. So time taken. So just you find here time taken by A and B. Time taken to complete a work, to complete the same work, time taken to complete the same work is equal to 4 days. So just you take reciprocal of the work done. So it will come, final answer is 4 days. Okay. So you have to write down like this method in each and every question, these types of question. Okay. Now in the question number 5th, just read the question number 5. What is given in this? Just read the question number 5. A alone can complete the work in 12 days. B alone can complete the same work in 24 days. How many days A and B complete the same work? Same again we have to do like this. So just write down here. A can do work. A can do a work in 12 days. Okay. So A, work done by A. So just we find work done by A is equal to 1 upon 12. Now B can do the work in 24 days. So work done by B is equal to 1 upon 24. So now we have to do together. So just add A plus B. So work done by A plus B is equal to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24. So LCM will be 24. So we will multiply 2 plus 1, it will come 3 upon 24. So we will cancel out, it will come 1 upon 8. So work done by A plus B is equal to 1 upon 8. So time taken, just you find time taken by A and B, time taken together to complete a work, time taken by A and B is equal to 8 days. Okay. If they will work together, A and B, then time taken, they will take 8 days. Same work. Okay. Now we will do the question number 7. Just read the question number 7. What is given in that? All of you just read the question. What is given first of all. Then we will do. So we have to question number 7. Here question is given. Together A, B and C can complete a work in 2 hours. So they have given. Time is given. If they will work together, there is 3, then it will take 2 hours. And A alone can do work in 6 hours, B alone can do work in 5 hours. But question is asking if C alone can do work, then how much they will take the time. So just find work done by all 3's. So work done by, just you find here, work done by A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 2 will come. Now work done by A will come, work done by A is equal to 1 upon 6 and work done by B is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay. Now first we will subtract these 3 work done together is given 1 upon 2. We will subtract these both work done, then it will come work done by C. So we will find work done by C is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 5. So it will come to 6. We will find LCM for this. It will come 30. So LCM will be 30. We will multiply by 15 because in 2 table 30 will come 15 times. In 6 table 30 will come 5 times. We multiply by 5. It will come 6 times. So 15 minus 5 minus 6. So it will come 15 minus 11, 4 upon 30 will come. Okay, now we will cancel out 2 to the and 15 to the. So it will come 2 upon 15. So now we have to find time taken by C. So time taken by C, it will come time taken by C to do the same work is equal to 15 upon 2. It means 7.5 days. Like this. 7.5 days. Okay. Or you can write it expression also 7.5 days. Okay, if C will do alone, then he will take 7.5 days. Now we have to do question number 9. Just read the question number 9 carefully. A can do a work in 10 days, B can do a work in 20 days. They begin together, but A leaves 2 days before the completion of the work. In how many days will the whole work be completed? So, in the question is given condition 2A leaves before completion of the day 2 days before. So, first of all, we will find your question number 9. Just you find work done by A. So, work done by A will come. Work done by A is equal to here 10 days is given. So, 1 upon 10 will come. Now, work done by B will come. Work done by B is equal to 1 upon 20 will come. Now they begin together. So just write down work done by both. Means work done by A plus B. Work done by A plus B is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 20. Now we will take LCM. LCM will 20. We will multiply by 2 here 1. So 2 plus 1. It will come 3 upon 20. So work done by A plus B is 3 upon 20. Now, question is given 2 days left before A leaves before. So first of all, just you find in 2 days how much work A will complete. So just you read here or so work done or B will complete. So work done by B in 2 days. In 2 days is equal to 1 upon 20 into 2. So it will come 1 upon 10. Means we will complete in 2 days 1 upon 10 work. So remaining work will be, so just you find remaining work. Remaining work will complete before that, then it will complete whole work. So 1 minus, total work is 1 only. So 1 minus 1 upon 10. So it will come 9 upon 10. We will take LCM here. So it will, LCM will be 10. So 9, we will multiply here 9 because nothing is 10 means 1. In one table 9, 10 will come 10 times. We multiply by 10 here. So 10 minus 1, it will come 9 upon 10. Means remaining work will complete 9 upon 10. In how many days we will find this one, then we can find the final answer. Okay. So now just you can write down here, in unitary method apply here, just write down 3 upon 20 work they will complete in 1 day, A plus B. So just write down 3 upon 20 work can complete in 1 day, complete in 1 day. So one work can complete in how many days? So it will take less, we will divide here 1 divided by 3 upon 20. So after that we have to find for this much remaining work. So 9 upon 10 work, how much they will complete? So we will find like this, 1 divided by 3 upon 20, and then just you put here bracket into 9 upon 10. Now we will calculate this one, then we will get the final answer. Okay, so first of all we will complete that one. So just you solve here. So 1 divided by 3 upon 20 bracket into 9 upon 10. So 1 into 20 upon 3 into 9 upon 10. 0 0 will cancel and then 3. 3 to the 6. So 6 days they will take, they will finish this work if they will work together. Now remaining 2 days I already have find. So just total number of days will take, total number of days it will come 6 plus 2, because 2 days B will alone work. So just I have written plus 2. So 6 plus 2, total number of days they will finish in 8 days. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the question number 9. We have to do now question number 11. So just read question number 11. Same that types of question is given here also. First of all, read the question number 11. Now the question number 11 here. Read the question first of all carefully. A can complete work in 10 days, B in 12 days, C in 15 days. All of them began work together, but A had left leave the work after 2 days of the start and B 3 days before the completion of the work. How long did the work last? So just you see here, A can complete the work in 10 days, so I have taken work done by 1 upon 10. Now B can complete in 12 days, so work done is 1 upon 12. And C can complete the work in 15 days, so work done is 1 upon 15. Now just you find work done for all three. So A plus B plus C, work done is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15. So finally it will come, LCM will be 60. So we multiply here 6, we will multiply by 5, multiply by 4. So 6 plus 5 plus 4, it will come 15 upon 16, we will cancel out 4. So it will come 1 upon 4. So work done by A plus B plus C is 1 upon 4. Now, question is given here. A had to leave the work after 2 days of the starts. So together they have all three together they have worked for 3 days only, 2 days only. So now we have to find completion of work in 2 days. Completion of work in 2 days is equal to 1 upon 4, because in 1 day they will complete 1 upon 4. In 2 days, just multiply by 2 into 1 upon 4, it will come 1 upon 2. Means half work they have complete. This much work they have complete in 2 days if they work in all three together. Now remaining work is how much? So we will find remaining work. So remaining work will be again subtract remaining work. Remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2, then it will come 1 upon 2. If we will subtract, we will take LCM here. So we will, here nothing written 1, we will multiply here 2 and here 1. So it will come 2 minus 1, finally 1 upon 2. So remaining work is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, so this much work they have complete. A has left already. Now B and C is there, so they will complete remaining work. This much. Now we have to. Question is given again. Condition is 3 days before completion of the work B has left. So first of all, just you see here in 3 days C will complete how many work. So just we will find C will complete. So work done by C in 3 days is equal to, so work done by C in 1 day 1 upon 15, so 3 days 1 upon 15 into 3, it will cancel out 5, 1 upon 5 they will complete. So remaining work again we have to find, subtract, we will subtract here. So remaining work again just we find here, remaining work is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. So C will complete in 3 days this much work. So remaining work should be complete before that. Okay, so first of all we will find remaining work. So LCM will be 10. So we multiply by 5 here and here 2. So it will come 5 minus 2. It will come 3 upon 10. So this much work should be complete A, B and C in between. So just write down. First of all, we will find again work done of B and C. So work done by B and C. Work done by B plus C is equal to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15. So LCM will be 60. So multiply by 5 here, multiply by 4 here. 5 plus 4, it will come 9 upon 60. We will cancel out here. So 3 ja and 20 ja. So 3 upon 20 work they will do in 1 day. So now we have to write down as a unitary method here also. So we will do as a unitary method remaining, whatever remaining work is there. So they will complete in how many days? We will find that. So remaining work is 3 upon 10 and they will do 3 upon 20 work in 1 day. So just write down here 3 upon 20 work done in 1 day. Okay, so 1 day. So we have to find one work they will do in 1 divided by 3 upon 20. So remaining work is 3 upon 10. So how much do 1 divided by 3 upon 20 multiply 3 upon 10. Like that question number. Whatever did in the question number 9, same process we have to do here also. So just simplify here, it will come 1 into 20 upon 3 into 3 upon 10. Now cancel out 3 1 3, then it will come 2 days. So in 2 days remaining work will complete, and in 3 days it will complete C work. Now total number, we have to find total number of days is, so A has finished, A will work 2 days, so total number of days will be, total days is equal to 2 and this one is 2 and then 3 days C will alone do. So finally it will come 7 days. This is the final answer. Total days it will take 7 days to finish all work. Okay. This is the question number 11. Now, whatever I have left, just try yourself. Question number 12 I have left and 10 also left. Just try yourself. Okay. And by this, this chapter is also finished. Next, we will start next chapter. I will inform you.